Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can set up custom buttons on your Sony a6400 camera, why they are useful and how they can help you save time when taking pictures or videos. So let's begin the video. Here I have the a6400 camera, and on the top you have a C1 button and on the back a C2 button. Basically these means they are custom key buttons, meaning that you can map any function to these buttons. Like if you want to quickly change the ISO, you can set it up for C1 or C2, or if you want to change the white balance, etc. So basically these buttons act as a shortcut key when set up correctly. So let me show you how you can set them up. On the Sony a6400 camera, click on the menu button and it is going to open the menu. We are interested in menu 2, so we are going to use the dial on the right side. Click on the up button to reach menu 1, click on right, and in menu 2 we are going to open page number 8 where it has custom key options. So it is showing 3 different custom key options. So if you want to set up custom keys when you are taking pictures, select the first option. If you want to set up custom keys when you're making videos, select the second option. So in this video, we're just going to set up custom keys when we are making videos. Go to the second option and select it. Before we do anything, make sure on the top you select video mode. So from here, if I go down, you can see in 3 it's showing our C2 or custom key 2 button, which is this delete button right here, which also acts as a custom key button. So let's set it up to, let's say, change the ISO. We are going to select it, go to the right until we find the ISO option, and here ISO is present. So I'm just going to select ISO, and what it means that when I'm going to click on the C2 button in video mode, it's going to show me the ISO options. So basically these custom keys act as a shortcut. Now if I click on right side in page number 3, it's going to show me my custom key 1. If I click on it again, I can assign it any function. So let's say I want it to change the white balance. When I click on it in video mode, I'm going to select white balance, and that's all. So now your C1, C2 or custom keys are set up. If I click on the C1 button, you can see it is showing me the white balance options. If I click on the C2 button, it's showing me ISO options. So in this way you can set up your custom keys on the a6400 camera, and it is helpful as you can open the settings that you most often open when shooting. So if you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.